Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about some banks are now allowing you to choose how much of a credit increase you want. All right, let's go straight into it. So just to make things clear, we're not talking about when you ask for a credit limit increase and they ask specifically for you to fill in a blank and say how much would you like the credit card limit to be. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about some banks are now having what they call a beta test. And so some of you all may be experiencing this. Mainly lately, it's been Citibank, Bank of America, Discover as well. Okay. And essentially what's happening is you request a credit limit increase, and then if you are approved, they let you know how much you've been increased to. But they're giving you the opportunity to select how much you want. Okay. So for example, let's say, for example, you've been, approved for a $4,000 credit limit increase. Okay. It could be any number. Okay. So let's just say it's $4,000. And then once you've been approved for that 4,000, they're letting you decide how much you want. Okay. Now, some people, of course, always take the highest amount. But of course, this has just been going on a little bit over 20 days. So they're going to, of course, you know how credit card companies go. Not sure if they're going to advertise this or anything like that, but they're essentially letting people know that, hey, you are approved for X amount of dollars. However, you may not want that much. So how much of this X amount do you want? Okay. I think it's pretty great because some people, they don't like necessarily to have a certain type of credit limit, in general for their credit cards. Some people like to be prepared, for anything that could potentially happen. So I think it's something most definitely to keep an eye on. But again, it's good to see that credit card companies are trying to keep up with the times. We know that credit cards are always kind of like in the gray area of always trying to understand how they do certain things. And you really can only learn from other people who've had credit cards and things of that sort. However, they always change a lot of things and they don't want you to know how you can do certain things. But of course, as we start to see certain trends, we're always going to continue to share that information. So I think that's pretty cool. And of course, as of right now, it's Citibank, Bank of America, and Discover Card that's tinkering around with this. There isn't a certain software company or anything like that that's partnered with them. It's just probably them just paying attention to what other people are doing. But again, instead of just throwing it and saying, hey, you've been approved for X amount, now they're letting people decide how much they're going to do. Now, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see this if you have any of those cards. This is just some of the things that we've been seeing, with our clients and such. But either way, it's great information to keep track of for sure. So if you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as there's nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.